Hi, I'm Susan. Today we'll be looking into how to create a gradient in the EDONext Designer. Let's get started. On the left toolbar, we'll go from the Elements icon and press on the Shapes tab. We can use any shape listed in this section, but for our example, I would like to make a gradient background for our page spread. So let's pick this square and drag the corner to adjust its size to the edge of the bleed. This will ensure it covers the page past the trim guide for printing. From the right toolbar, we'll double-click Frame Settings. We can put the ladder away by pressing the Close button if it is on top of this menu. You can always press Ladder to bring it back. In the sub-menu Border, Fill, and Drop Shadow, we are going to turn off Border and press Custom in the drop-down. The Edit button will show a pop-up for Settings New Color. And under Type, we are looking for Gradient. There are options to change the gradient type to linear or radial. You can also change location and angle to your desired settings. We'll continue with linear and now look at our start and end color. You will see listed the names of our default color set or a color you've saved previously. There's also an option to press Custom to expand the window further for color picking specifics. As soon as you choose your colors, it'll show on your background shape. It's also possible to use the gradient as a spread across two pages. Let's copy and duplicate the shape and go through the process of getting back to our Settings New Color pop-up. Similar settings are applied, except we will switch the start and end color. And there you go, a gradient ready to be used for your two-page yearbook spread. Thank you for choosing EDONext as your yearbook designer software. See you next time.